Hey y'all, it's Nita, and today we are up close and personal because I am going to show you guys how to put on false lashes. Is number one, I'm gonna start off with my holy grail to put on lashes, especially for beginners. It is this velour eyelash tweezer. My client actually gave me this a couple years ago, and I've been using it like crazy ever since. I will try to link it below or link a dupe or something similar to it. A lot of lash companies sell it, and it's just lash tweezers. I love to use these. The glue that I'm going to be using is this, I think it's I Envy, the super strong lash glue in black. I like to use black lash glue. They also have clear, whatever your personal preference. If you are pretty good with putting on lashes, I would say to get this glue because it does dry fast. I don't like glue that take all day to dry. The Duo takes a little bit longer to dry, and I be in a rush, so I need to dry fast. So I like this, but for beginners, you may prefer the Duo lash glue. And I like to use the glue that has the brush applicator because I find it easier to put on the lash without wasting it or anything. And I think it's also more beginner friendly than the squeezy tube. So try to find the brush on if you can. And the lashes I'm going to be using today are my favorites from So Chanel. One of my clients actually gave me some lashes from her from a lash box that she got, and that's how I started wearing them, and that's how I came across her. You can find them on IamSoSoChanel.com, and these are the So Ida lashes. These are mink lashes. They are $25, so they're quite expensive, which is why mine are hella used. I get my money's worth. I really like the Miss A lashes from the Beauty Supply. They are $2.99, but these are some of my favorite lashes for going out, and I'm going to happy hour, so I do want a little bit more of a dramatic lash, so I'm gonna use this. But definitely check out the Miss A lashes from, and I'm just cleaning off the lash glue. I don't know if y'all see how this kind of coming off. But yeah, check out the Miss A lashes from the Beauty Supply. It's only $2.99, and they have amazing lashes. But yeah, I'm getting my money's worth out of these because they were $25. Taking your lash and your glue, and you're gonna take, again, using your brush applicator, and I hope y'all can see this, but I'm just gonna brush it along the lash band. And just to show y'all in real time how long it takes me to put these on and how long it takes this glue to dry. So that's the first step, apply the glue to the lash band. Second, you take your eyelash tweezers, and I like to grab the lash by the middle. So here. So I like to grab the lash by the middle, and I'm just gonna wave it back and forth, blowing it a little bit. And so the key with using lash glue is that you want the glue to be tacky so that it can stick when you apply it. If you put your lash down, my phone y'all, sorry. If you put the lash down on your eye and it does not stick, that doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It just means that the glue is not tacky enough yet. So you gotta let the glue dry down a little bit more so that when you apply it, it actually sticks. If it's lifting every time you try to apply it, just let the glue get a little bit more tacky. It's still too wet. So what I like to do, let me try to zoom in as much as I can. Stick it in the center of your eye first. And you press it, I kind of press it into my eye, and 1, 2, 3 seconds in. And then I go and apply the outer corner. Again, 3 seconds in, 1, 2, 3. Just like to press it in real good. Make sure it's pressed in real good. And then I go in and press the inner corner. 1, 2, 3. And that's how you apply your lashes. Now you see where that excess glue got? All you gotta do is let the glue get dry. If you try to take it off and the glue is still wet, it's gonna get everywhere. But once the glue is dry, you can literally just go like roll it off. But I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more before I take that glue off. I'm showing y'all this in real time so you can see that glue they got everywhere and everything, like, cause I promise y'all if I wasn't recording, all that wouldn't even happen. But anyway, so I'm gonna do the other one. So again, I'm gonna take my glue, I'm going to apply it to the lash band. And again, you're placing your eyelashes right above your lash line where you put your eyeliner or anything like that. That's where you're placing it. And again, I'm gonna take my eyelash tweezer. I'm gonna grab the lash in the center of the lash like that. And we're just gonna blow it. Let that glue get good and tacky. And while I'm letting this one, let's see. All right, so we're gonna again apply the lash to the center of our eye, and when you put it down, you just want to press and hold 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna do, see, that one didn't stick because the glue is too wet. Y'all didn't, I don't know if y'all saw how it popped up. So let's try this again. Gonna put it down in the center. And I like to put it in the center first because then it's pretty much, you know, lined up, the lash is lined up where it needs to go. And it's just a matter of you pressing it in. And here I'm just using my fingers because I don't want to come across, you know, with the tweezers and y'all can't see what I'm doing. And that is it, y'all. And once they're on, I just kind of use my tweezer, or you can use the eyelash curler or whatever you prefer to kind of flip the lashes up a little bit. But while it's drying, I also like to just go in and I'm literally taking the lash and pressing it in. Take the lash and press it in, and you just want to make sure that it's stuck to your eyelid really, really well. You know, so that you don't have no lash flapping everywhere. And that's it. And once you're done with that, you just want to take your favorite mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Stiletto, and I'm just gonna blend my natural lashes into the falsies, and that's it. And let me show y'all, this glue is dry over here, and you can literally go peel it off like a sticker. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there you go. Just peeling it off like a sticker. And that in the front, I'm really not gonna worry about. And that, all right, our lashes are applied. We're looking fabulous, we're looking beautiful, and our lashes are stuck like Chuck. They ain't going nowhere, they ain't moving, we're not flapping all over the place. But that's how I apply my lashes. Like I said, I will link everything down below, especially this tweezer. If they still sell it or something comparable, I will link it down below. If you have any other questions about how to put on falsies, or you know, maybe how to pick a lash or whatever the case may be, please let me know. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you would like to see. Bye, y'all.